What's up, guys? Another video here. We had a lot of rain last night, around 45 millimeters. Look, the deposito, it's got loads of water in it. Not a huge amount, but it's got some water in it, and that's just from what's fallen into it. No pipes connected. I'm gonna go clear the guttering up behind the house. Gonna take a selection of tools with us. Do some digging. Let's go. We're up the top of the land. This is the gully where I'm hoping to catch more water. Guys, that's the first step. First box covered. You can see it very well, but there it is. Just got to carry on down here now. There's another box there. Clear all of this out. Little gully that runs into this one. Clear enough anyway. Right guys, just this last bit here now, and we can find the pipe. Let's do this. Right guys, we're back up the top. Got the big 50-metre roller pipe, flexible, a few different fittings. I'm just going to have a go at connecting it on. I think I'll cut it here and then send it through there down to the deposito. So wish me luck. We're going to get a lot of water here. Bad.